I'm so relentless. No matter how hard I try, it feels like it ain't getting better. Oh, if only I can find the light to illuminate the dark inside. Escape from all the fears in me I hold. What if I could let go?